Christmas celebrations in Sydney, Australia. Hello mga Inday Dudong, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipino nurse living in Australia. This was my first Christmas celebrating in Sydney, Australia. So of course I was so excited to check out Sydney CBD or Sydney downtown, check out all the celebrations and see what Sydney has to offer. We checked out the most celebrated Christmas market at Martin's Place and look at the crowd! Oh my goodness. Daghan kay baligya, there were so many goods on sale, from pictures, paintings, dresses, handmade crafts, and hindi talaga mawawala ang pagkain. There was a huge lineup for the food stalls. My husband thought that we would line up to get into the center of Martin Place where the big Christmas tree is. Suska, it was the lineup for the cheeseville gnocchi. We were hungry, but nah, with this line, no way. We came here to watch the Christmas carols, but I think we were too late, so wala na Christmas carols.